Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see right here we've got some options which we can or actually cannot customize, because as you can see the date and time options are inactive. So first of all, we have to turn off the automatic date and time just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see right now the date and the time option is active, and just by swiping you can pick the date you want to use. Tap on OK. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and the same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. Here, after tapping on the time zone, we can tap on the region, and we will be transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So basically find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one, and as you can see it has been immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. What's more, here we've got the time format option, and you can use local default and it will be set manually, automatically, because if you want to set it manually you have to focus on the second section. So currently we are using 24-hour format, but if you'd like to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher to turn off this option, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on the switcher to use 24-hour format, on the switcher to use automatic date and time, but be aware that unfortunately the time zone is not set automatically, so you will have to manually change the time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.